being brought here by my conscience. I want to ask forgiveness. But can she still? Oh Lord, please forgive me. Please bring this to me. Try this as it refreshes my memories that her life perished because of my selfishness. She was my only sister. Since our childhood, I've always believed that I was the favorite of her. One night, when I was facing the mirror, when I saw Luisa's face reflected in the mirror, "You can't get out tonight, Jordan," I could have threatened. I turned to her, but I can't resist at her sharp stare. And who says so? "My dear brother, we are to celebrate Mama's death anniversary. You know that, don't you?" In her relaxed and defensive voice, I replied, "Well, I don't care. I'm going out to party tonight." Then I heard a knock. I shouted, "Dad! Help!" For I knew that it was him. I pulled my hair as I was attacked by his one-monstrous rituals. When the door opened, Papa saw that Luisa was holding my neck. He was trying to make hers. He threw Luisa to the corner, and the head of my poor sister was hit at the edge of the chair. Luisa ran to the door and proceeded to the open gate of her house. We followed her, calling out her name. "Luisa! Sister! Luisa the trap! Don't cross the road! Luisa!" I ran to her and embraced her. Blood was all over her ears. In a low and distinct voice, she assured me, "Jordan, I love you so much. I love you very much. Papa loves you very much. Take care of yourself." From that moment, I cried so hard for killing my only sister, who loved and cared for me even up to the last moment. Now, can you blame me for asking God to forgive me